Hello, good morning, good evening. Welcome to Mickey and my craft. This is Hilda, your host. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you have enjoyed safely your New Year's and your Christmas celebration. Merry Christmas to everybody. I know I have been absent. I told you before. I'm doing kind of a remodeling in my little house, but you know, of storage units and everything like that. I'm still fixing the camera. I'm in my bedroom because my living room is a mess, and I'm still organizing the kitchen. So, welcome to my channel. If you are new subscribers, please hit the like and comment below, and welcome to the channel. If you are not a subscriber, you came up to it, please subscribe. It's free of charge, okay? And it helps the channel. I know I have been absent and I have been hitting, I don't know why we get hit hard, because you know, we're humans, we need to take a break. So in terms of the subscribers and everything. So anyway, let's get started. Oh, I have playlists with different crafts, okay? You can post below any suggestion or any request for the craft. Okay, we continue on paint by numbers. Next week I'm gonna have quite a few videos because I have to show you all the stuff that I did for Christmas, which is not that many. And what I started a gorgeous owl. But this one, Colourmost, they are on Facebook. And their customer service is exceptional. Okay? The first item that they delivered apparently got stolen. They have shipping protection that you pay extra, but it's worth, because right now that item disappeared and they send me another one express. It doesn't take that long for them to send it. Maybe a week and a half. They were on Facebook. I decided to try paint by numbers. Okay, a new company. So I like the box. It's very sturdy. Okay. And over here it tells you the kit includes the brushes, the canvas, the premix paints, and color guide. Okay, so, and I know this is a Christmas mandala because I haven't done a mandala. It comes like this in this box. Here you get the brushes. Okay. Here is the canvas. There's nothing else in here. Let's see what we got over here. Oh my. I'm going to show you the canvas in a few minutes, okay? So, let's see what we got. The paint are kind of loose, but at least they're compact. Because some of the companies are giving the paint loose, but they put it in how you should say it, in a bag, in a Ziploc bag, okay? And I hate that. Honestly, I don't like it. I don't like it. This is more compact, more nice, more needy. And then you can then you got the numbers over here. Okay, happy painting. Here is the mandala. It's a Christmas mandala. I guess it's a Christmas mandala because it has the Christmas colors. Plus, take a look at over here, Christmas trees. Okay, you have 24 colors. The colors come with the number, and you have to use this, and that's the first thing that you should do. When it comes like this, you take the sticker, you take this number 2450, right? let me get a clearer number. Okay, you get these 1883 numbers, right? So you look over here for 1883, and that's number 15. Okay, so you come over here, you take number 15, and you put it in the paint box. And that's it. And that's the color you're going to use on all the number 15 in the canvas. So that's how you do it. And I like this because these are, keep them organized. No all the way around. I like this. Definitely I like this. And this is a pretty one. Very pretty canvas. Let me close it. Does it close back up? Yeah, it did. It closed back up. And then you can even carry it with you, you know, to any place. Let's see. It's a 40 by 40. And I do have something where to put it. The only problem that I see, I don't have a chart. So that means I'm going to have to take a picture. That's what I don't like. But the canvas is a 40 by 40. The canvas is kind of plastic mixed with a little bit of fabric. You know, and over here it has the color, and the numbers are very clear, as you can see. This is a pretty mandala. Let me move it back a little bit. Take a look at this. This should be pretty, but this is going to be for next year because I'm not going to do anything Christmassy. Now I will do, I don't have anything for St. Valentine's, but I will do like winter because we're in winter, or, you know, start doing springy stuff ahead of time. Okay, so here it is. This is beautiful. I like it, Colourmost. This is good. This is good. I like it. Now I have to test the paints. When I start it, I'm going to have to prep the paints so they will last. So I can get it done because this is a Christmassy one. It's a 40 by 40, so I will have to put it in one of my 40 by 40 canvas panel that I have. And I like that. They have gorgeous ones. They have quite a few gorgeous ones. You should check it out. They have a website. It's not in the box, which could help as a suggestion. And also, as a suggestion, I suggest that you get the chart just in case that the person missed a number, you know, or paint by mistake. Realize it later, because that happens. That could happen. It can go back. Okay. So, here it is. This is beautiful. I like it. This is going to turn out pretty. But I'm not going to do it this year. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do it this time. Maybe around November I start doing it. Okay, so I could have it ready for Christmas. Again. God willing. So this is it for this review. again, needs the short. This is okay with me. I hope you don't go, Colourmost, you don't go to those little bags that I hate. At least this keeps them organized. Okay. Thanks for the picture, so we can have, you know, a reference to it. So I'm okay with it as long as it's like this. If it's in a bag, and another thing is you can put your website in here. In the box, so people can go and buy directly. This is what the kit includes. The name of the company is very colorful. It's Colourmost. Okay. So the price was okay. This one I bought it. This one wasn't that. This one cost me $28, including the shipping protection. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you, Colourmost, for this beautiful and for your excellent customer service. Don't forget to kiss your fur baby, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment. I will very much appreciate it. Until the next time, kisses from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.